Well, hello there, and welcome to another training module. In this nugget, I'll be sharing with you on how to explore and configure modules in Odoo. Let's get started. Well, Odoo comes in with different module settings. This allows us to set up any kind of application within our module interface, whether it's a calendar, whether it's a CRM, or a sales dashboard, or a point of sale. Odoo has the power to integrate any module within its interface. As you can see on my dash area, these are all the modules that I've installed in my Odoo. To install any or to see all the modules that exist in Odoo, you'll navigate into the app section, and all these are the available modules that you can work with or install into your module. All the way from CRM to website to email marketing to studio to employees management and HR, recruitment, and many more. Now, to select one that you want to have, you just navigate to one that has not been installed. For example, if I want to set up a help desk, I'll just click on install module. Or if I want to install repair shop, employee referral, let me choose one in this example. Let's say accounting. I'll click on install. So once the installation is complete, you'll notice that your accounting module will appear on this dash area. If I click on that dash area or the account module, it takes me direct into the account module development where I can select and set up my account section. I also have an onboarding panel which is activated at the top section here, which you can use to configure all the different levels to make sure that your accounting module works best. Now, to edit some of the aspects of this module, you'll navigate into configuration and select setting. Remember, you can also achieve the very same results by navigating back into the account section, and from the modules that are here, select on the setting option, and this takes you back to the very same menu option that we had. Now, by looking at all the modules that we have in here, we have the general setting. You'll select accounting, and from the accounting module, you have the ability to set up other options that are included in that module, including VAT and taxes, account imputation. You can also work with currencies, custom invoice, and many others. Well, that is how you explore and work with modules in Odoo. See you in the next nugget.